You know, I hear it all of the time. Pellets are bad for you. They do this, they do that, the other thing. You want to know what my opinion really is? People that say the pellets are bad for you just don't know how to do pellets, because in our hands, they're the easiest modality to do. They get the best results. They're the easiest to maintain. They're the easiest to get a certain level and easiest to get overall satisfaction. Now, is it important to be able to do everything? Yes, it is. And we do everything here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, because one size does not fit all. And it is necessary to sometimes customize a program or use an alternative approach. But I'm going to tell you what, pellets are a fantastic way to get your hormones. You can adjust them, they're easy to do, they're easy to recover from, and you get nice steady levels all the way through your treatment plan, as opposed to some of the other modalities which you can go up and down, like testosterone shots. You can be on this roller coaster. I'm telling you, over 15 years of doing pellets, we've seen fantastic results. Now, I'm not going to tell you that they're perfect, and there are reasons why you want to change modalities, but overall they're fantastic. And in the hands of people who really know how to understand them, know the pharmacokinetics, know how to use them properly, you're going to get a great result. But it's safe here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, because if it's not a program for you, we don't have to do that. We can do just about anything else that's involved in hormone administration that's available, that's FDA approved. Oh, one other thing that I wanted to tell you is everybody says they're not FDA approved. That's garbage, okay? Testosterone pellets in the 75 milligram dose are FDA approved. And in those pellets, all they have is testosterone and stearic acid. The same exact FDA components that are used in every other pellet that is made out there, made under FDA supervision, but not FDA approval. All that's varied is the dose. So the stearic acid and the testosterone are indeed FDA approved, just combined in a different dose so that it's easier to customize them. This is Dr. John Carrozzella from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. We're not only experts at pellets, we really know how to do hormones right.